There's some ingredient that you cannot just put in your formulation like that. You have to dissolve them. So those ingredients that you use to dissolve such ingredients is what is called diluent or solvent. Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel, and I know it's been a minute. Actually some months. I'm so sorry guys, I'm so sorry. I've been trying to meet up with my brand needs, attending to customers and trying to get some things done. So it has been a very busy time with me, but I promise to keep up henceforth. If you really want to encourage me to keep up, you have to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe please. That is one thing that can encourage me to continue. Subscribe, click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video you will be notified. You can as well share, like, and always comment whatever you don't understand. Just comment it down below. If there's anything you don't understand, if there's questions that you really want answers for when it comes to skincare formulation, comment it down below. I will reply you. A lot of people are out there that really needs this, so you can as well share to them, share to your family and friends. You never can tell who might actually need this information. Okay, so I always tell you to come with your jotting note and your pen, because you are not here to play, you are here to learn, and a fainted pen is better than a fainted memory. So you have to jot something down, you have to note something down. That is when you are learning, except you want to come back every time to watch this video, which is not bad as well, but at the same time you still need to jot something down. Like me, see, I have my jotters here, though I know them often, I still have my jotters here. So you need to have your own jotter, your pen, and be ready to learn. Yes, if you are here for the first time, you're welcome. I will advise you to go back to the previous video, especially if you are just learning how to be a skincare formulator. If you don't have a prior knowledge, I would advise you to go back to the first video, because here in my channel I upload video based on module. So this video you are watching right now is module 3. We have module 1, 2, so you have to go back there and watch them so you can understand, because if you jump one module to go to another, you might not really understand where we are coming from and where we are actually going. So I will advise you to go back to our previous modules and get started with it. If you have watched our previous video and you have learned something and you are right here right now, you're welcome. We are gradually moving to a stage where we start formulating. So today we are talking about a very interesting topic, which is the classification of skincare formulation ingredients. We have 16 essential skincare ingredients that you need to know. There are 16, so you need to know them, their functions, categories. Okay, so let's go to the number one on my list. The number one on my list is solvent or diluent. You can either call it solvent or diluent. What is solvent? Solvent is the group of ingredients we use in dissolving other ingredients. There's some ingredients that you cannot just put in your formulation like that. You have to dissolve them. So those ingredients that you use to dissolve such ingredients is what is called diluent or solvent. Examples of solvent or diluent is water, distilled water. Somebody will ask me, can't you use tap water? No, you cannot use tap water. You cannot use bottled water, pure water. No, you cannot use any of them. You can only use distilled water or deionized water to make skincare products. We also have other solvents as well, like green tea, aloe vera juice. We also have rose water, and we have loads of hydrosols too that you can use in formulating your products. Example, we have rose hydrosol, we have chamomile hydrosol, we have lavender hydrosol, jasmine hydrosol. We have a whole lot of them. So you can use all that to formulate your product, and that is number one essential skincare ingredient we use in formulating our products. So let's go to the next one. The next one on my list is emulsifier. This type of ingredient is the ingredient that binds water and oils together. Hope you get it. Emulsifier is the group of ingredients that binds water and oil together. Oil and water cannot bind together because water is polar while oil is non-polar, so they cannot bind together. I don't know if you have experienced this before, putting water and oil together, especially when you want to cook. You will notice that the oil will float and split into segments. That's how it is. Same thing goes to skincare formulation. So you need an emulsifier to bind your oils and your water together, except if you are making an ambiguous product, that is the product that doesn't contain water. But if you're making emulsion, you're making product that contains water, you will need an emulsifier, and that's where this group of ingredient comes in. Example of emulsifier: we have e-wax, we have waxes, generally a lot of wax. We have beeswax, though beeswax is co-emulsifier because you cannot use it alone to bind water and oil together. So we have BTM 50, we have Silky Wax, we have Lotion Pro 165, we have Seti Olivet, we have a lot of emulsifiers that you can use to make your product. So let's go to the next one without wasting time. So the third one on my list here is co-emulsifier. Like I said, emulsifier binds water and oil together. Why co-emulsifier, which is the third ingredients, number 3 essential ingredients in skincare formulation, is co-emulsifier. We have emulsifier, then we have co-emulsifier. Co-emulsifier help the emulsifier to bind the mud. Example of co-emulsifier, like I said the other time, we have beeswax. Beeswax is co-emulsifier. You can't use beeswax alone to emulsify products. No, it will not do the work alone. So you have to you either use it as a co-emulsifier. So we have stearic acid, we have stearic alcohol, we have stearyl alcohol as well. We have a lot to co-emulsify in your product. All right, so let's go to the next one, which is number 4, and the number 4 on my list is humectant. Yes, humectant is very crucial ingredient, especially if you are formulating a product for a dry skin type. Humectants are the ingredients that draws water into the skin. This kind of ingredient, they either draws water from the deeper layer of the skin or from the hair. That's how humectant works. They either draw water from the deeper layer of the skin or draw it from the hair. An example of humectants, we have glycerin, honey, hyaluronic acid, and we also have plant-based humectants like green tea, aloe vera juice as well. So those are the ingredients, the humectants we use in our products, and that is it about humectant. So let's go to number 6. Let's go to number 5. Let's go to number 5, and number 5 on my list is occlusive. What is occlusive? Occlusive is the group of ingredients that prevents water loss from the skin. Compared to humectant draws water to the skin, but occlusive prevent that water loss. Hope you get. Examples of occlusive includes dimethicone, shea butter, cocoa butter, coconut oil, castor oil, and olive oil. So those are the examples of we have a lot of them, but to mention few are those ones. So that is it about occlusive. So let's go to the next one. Hope you are getting. So number 6, we have emollients. What is emollients? Emollients are the groups of ingredients that moisturizes the skin. Yes, they soften, smoothing, and hydrate the skin as well. So this group of ingredients are very essential, and that's what makes up your products. Yes, these 16 groups or 16 essential ingredients make up your products. So you need them in your products. So this number 6, which is the emollient, is the group of ingredients that moisturizes the skin, which includes butters, plant oils, fatty esters. Yes, we have fatty esters, we have plant oils, we have butter. Examples of butter: we have cocoa butter, we have cocoa butter, we have shea butter, we have mango butter, we have lavender butter. So they are classified as an emollient. Let's go to plant oil. Under emollients, plant oil like jojoba oil, argan oil, coconut oil, and a lot more of them. Yes, they are classified under emollients. So fatty esters include olive squalene, caprylic, triglycerides as well. So we also have silicone. Under silicone, we have ecosil, we have dimethicone. Those are the examples of emollient. So let's go to the next, and the next on my list is antioxidant. Antioxidant is the group of ingredients that help protect the skin against oxidation damage, like my products, I always make sure I had a very good amount of antioxidant to prevent aging. So antioxidant is very, very important when it comes to skin, when it comes to skincare formulation. So example of antioxidant, we have vitamin C, we have vitamin D, beta carotene, we have astaxanthin oil. These are the ingredients under antioxidants that you can use in formulating your products to prevent oxidation damage on the skin. All right, so the next one is number 8, which is actives. So this class of ingredients, they serve a specific purpose. Active are this group of ingredients that serve a specific purpose, either to lighten the skin or to target a particular skin condition. So that is it about actives, and we have different actives. We have it for different purposes. To lighten the skin, example of actives for skin brightening, we have glutathione, we have kojic acid. Under kojic acid, we have kojic palmitate, we have ordinary kojic acid. So we have vitamin C, we have niacinamide, which is vitamin B3. We also have licorice. We have a lot of actives that are used for skin brightening, skin lightening in your product. We also have anti-aging active, which is retinol. We also have hyaluronic acid. Okay, so that is it under anti-aging actives. We also have exfoliating active. Okay, we have BHA, we have AHA, that is alpha hydroxy acid. We have hydrating actives. Under hydrating active, we have ceramide, we have sorbitol, glycerin, stearin. Also soothing actives. Under soothing active, example of soothing active is aloe vera extract. We also have oat kernel, green tea. We have a lot of active for different purposes. So either for brightening, for soothing, for exfoliating. So like I just mentioned the example, there's still a lot of time for to mention few. That is it about the active. See you in my next video. Bye.